Lyrikali ni long name. Mostly nimeona nangoza birthday. Mezungukwa na magoshodo ka bonfire. Ni kitambo uski, mimi nilisha expire. Nimejiaminia one man empire. Sina rada ya mbele guide, nikitembea kwa hood. Reaction.
Boom! What's the word YouTube? It's about 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, aka the reaction boss, and we're back in effect with another video for you guys. Boom! Anyways, what's going on, Kenya? We're back with another video for you guys. Y'all been loving the reactions, and I want to say this artist right here, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Lyrikali, is the #1 artist on my channel from Kenya right now. Currently, I've been asking y'all a lot to recommend more to me. Y'all been recommending some more, so I've done a few more reactions. I've also done a reaction from West Africa too. I think his name was Harmonized. That song was fire also. I seen the girls them gyrating the body, the girls that was going crazy. You know, I like seeing the females going crazy. But right now, we're back with some more 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Lyrikali. So you know what to do, people. Like the video so the video recommends to more people. I begin like a good amount of subscribers every day from all these kind of reactions. I really appreciate y'all for subscribing. Keep subscribing to the channel. We're trying to get to 100K. We're almost there. We're past halfway, right? So we're gonna get there by the end of the year. Maybe I'm birthday in February. We don't know. Let's get straight to the video. All right, the song is called Hood, right? Hey, turn up that. Doba. Hey, come in. What up? Getting a haircut? Getting a haircut? Mid-video? Then I walk to the hood. I have something to... Alright, go on.
Hood, Nikona something to offer and nothing to lose. Very rude, misdai kuwa good. Kwa hood, the good ndio ugezongwa food.
Yeah.
Tension, joma boys in blue. Neza takwa bure bure na bado uzame tu. Valia hood, washindo kukuzum. Kwa hood, ndani ya hood, nikitembea kwa hood. Nikitembea kwa approach kwa umbali utadhani niko cool.
I hope that's a flashlight and I hope actually have the flashlight on top of it. Hey, you know, let's talk it. Go on.
Karibia ni kuprove ni full. Si lazima attitude ndo nikuwe understood. Magazine nairudigi home full. Kwezi chuo mwana buya ndani ya kifua mlinga uzioni jua. Dead boys everyday juu ya duya. Nikinukisha after nimezidi ndo tanusa. Kalori ya takataka kwa highway. Sijali wengine.
Oh, and I know I've seen your comments. I know most of the subtitles on these videos are wrong. You feel me? But guess what? Y'all don't know this yet. I already started looking up y'all language and doing my little research. So I'm gonna get it soon.
Reality after kupatiwa long ken ananitati Lyrikali ni long name. Mostly nimeona nangoza birthday. Mezungukwa na magoshodo ka bonfire. Ni kitambo uski, mimi nilisha expire. Nimejiaminia one man empire. Sina rada ya mbele guide, nikitembea kwa hood. Nikona something.
This guy said a one man empire. Wala.
Goshodo ka bonfire. Ni kitambo uski, mimi nilisha expire.
Yeah.
Nimejiaminia one man empire. Sina rada ya mbele guide, nikitembea kwa hood. Nikona something to offer na nothing to lose. Very rude, misdai kuwa good. Kwa hood, the good ndio ugezongwa food. Tension, joma boys in blue. Neza takwa bure bure na bado uzame tu.
Hey!
Washindo kukuzum. Kwa hood, ndani ya hood. Nikitembea kwa hood. Nikitembea kwa na wasiumu wakingoja ni wa
This remind me of like trap dancer. You understand? But people, I'm tell you every day. Every video I tell you all this. I'm gonna tell you all this again right now. Recommend me the videos where the females are looking very sexy. They're gyrating their body and they're doing what I like to see. You see me? We like to see them twerk it. You see me? I say twerk it, twerk. You see me? We like to see that. I love analyzing the females. You know, that just get me excited watching them twerk. Yuri, God!
Kwa boys akirau alam, una snooze. Kwa miguu na ground nimeshikilia karutu liko sana sayo wanadai truth. Mapufa polisi na mraia nogopa sisi. Watu waamini na siyo wao pia sisi kwa sisi. Hadi pretty misi onyeshi pretty na move kakipindi. Father God lakini usiniache guide me.
Hey!
Niko kwa giza just like.
Afraid to father get shit about what? I have a question. But it's not even another question. It's just like I something I'm reacting to the video. He must sing, obviously, he must sing bad man lyrics, right? He must sing about the hood. Yeah, I see one girl in the video. Alright, no gun.
Eating makanji nikanafanya drug test nyongo akidai kunikulia mahangri father god lakini usiniache guide me niko kwa giza just lighting makanji nikanafanya drug test nyongo akidai kunikulia mahangri nikitembea kwa hood niko na something to offer na nothing to lose very rude misdai kuwa good kwa hood the good ndio ugezongwa food tension joma boys in blue neza takwa bure bure na bado uzame tu valia hood washindo kukuzum kwa hood ndani ya hood nikitembea kwa hood nikitembea kwa
mad thing.
Grammarly doesn't just help you with
Hey, tap you nice. But let me give this shout out to this person right, because somebody recommend. I'll tell you the next time somebody recommend a song that I'm gonna understand, I'm gonna give you all a shout out. So where is the name at? So I can do this the right way. And his name is come on now, latest comment. And his name is Dancehall Hero. Hold on, no, that's not his name. Alright. So Hashim, big up yourself. As me I say, big up yourself, Hashim. You see me? Anyway, so I go see you in another video. Please recommend some more songs. Please keep subscribing to the channel. Follow my Instagram people right here at Tyre Vlogs. I'll definitely give you a lot more reactions once you'll either DM me or anything. Should I react to this song right here? Where is it at? Steppa Santana. You know what? Give you a double reaction? No. Next video. I'll see you in another video. Peace.